for a set of 9 numbers.
Yeah, so
Summation.
that set of 9 numbers, right?
Now
we take solution. So we have a set of 9 numbers. That means n here solution, and we are given here n 9 numbers, right?
yeah.
Is equal to 9. Yes, sir.
Summation into x minus x bar.
Summation into x here minus x bar.
Bracket close.
Yes.
All squared.
All square.
Yeah. Is equal to 60.
Now we have 60 for this man. Yes, next.
And summation of x square.
We have summation of what? Of x square is now equal to
285.
285. Alright?
Now find the mean of the numbers.
Now here we are asked to find the mean. And the mean there is what? X bar, X bar is equal to our question. Are we alright?
Yes, sir.
But mind you, here we have a formula which states that we have variance,
Yes, sir.
So variance, this is the symbol for the variance, is equal to, we have summation of what? X minus x bar the whole square all over what? All over n, right?
Yes, sir.
That is one formula for the variance. This is for what? For the non-frequency distribution. Okay? And also we have another formula for variance which is equal to, we have summation of what? Of x square all over what? All over n here minus what? Minus x bar here the whole what? The whole square. Alright? They are all in that particular book. So if you go through the book then you can see what? All of these formulas in there. Are we alright? So if that's the case, let's come here now and what? And solve the problem. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So if you look at this guy here, it's similar to what? To this, right? And if you look at this formula here, it is similar to what? To this man. And here also, what do we have here? We have what?
X bar.
We have x bar.
yeah.
Are we right?
Yes, sir.
So in that light here, since we have what? We have two formulas here. What do we do now? You see, whenever we have what? We have two values here, and what? They are what? They are equivalent to also this. Example here. Okay, so this is x. Sorry, variance is not equal to what? Variance again, right? So the first value for the variance, what do we have? We have summation of what? Of x here minus x bar the whole square all over what? All over n is now equal to, next what we have?
Summation.
We have summation of what? Of x square all upon what? N here minus what? X bar whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
But already here we have the value for this man, right?
Yes, sir.
And we also know what is n. Okay? When you come here again here, we know what is n, and also here we know what is the value of x square, right?
Yes, sir.
But this man is what is unknown to us, and that man is what we are asked to find. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's substitute the values now. This guy, what is this man? We have 60, right? 60 here all over, and n is equal to what? 9, equal to, and summation of x square, what is that? We have 285 all over what? All over n. And what is n here?
It's 9.
9. Minus what? X bar the whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to this one here.
Yes, sir.
So what do we do here? Here we have this value, right? This man here is what is negative, and this man is what we are asked to find. Alright? And whenever you are asked to find what a particular what variable or anything here, it means that man must stand alone, right?
Yes, sir.
It must have what? A coefficient of what? Of 1. Are we okay?
Yeah.
But since this man has a negative sign, it means you must find a way by which you can what? You can get rid of the negative sign. And how can you obtain that? We know that when you take this man to this side, yeah, this man becomes what now? Negative, right? Sorry, positive. Why? Because this man is already negative. Jumping the equal sign, it becomes what?
Negative.
Positive now.
Positive, yeah.
Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
So what I will do now, I will take this man to this side. And what is that now? We now have what? X bar the whole square, right?
Yes, sir. Equal
to, and observe something here again. After the equal sign, what do we have?
285.
We have 285 all over what?
9.
All over 9,
Yes, sir.
Is that all? No. Here also we have what? We have 60 upon 9, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are taking this man to this side again. What happens now? The sign changes. So it now becomes
negative.
Now we have negative what 60 all over 9 and now we have what x bar here, the whole square is now equal to, now if you observe here, what do we have? Just subtract the two values. Why? Because we have what? We have the same denominator, right? Are we okay? Whenever what the denominators are the same, what happens? Just subtract or you add the values. But the sign here is what? Subtraction sign, right? So what do we do? We subtract. So we now say what? This is 2x5 here minus 60 all over what?
9.
All over 9. Alright? Just the same as what? As finding the LCD or LCM. Alright? So when you subtract, what do we have? X bar is now equal to what do we have?
225.
225 here. All upon what?
9.
All upon 9, eh? But here we have what? We have a square term. We want to find this man here. This man still has an attachment, eh?
Yes, sir.
What is that? A square term. So what do we do here? We take square roots on both sides.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yes, sir.
That is, when I say this is what? X bar, the whole square here, has a square root equal to, we have what? 225 all over what? 9, eh?
Yeah.
The whole, we have a square root. Is that so, sir?
Yes, sir.
This square term and this one we cancel, right? We now have what? X bar is now equal to, now, square root of what? Sort. Let's apply sort, right?
Yes, sir.
225 all over what? Square root of what? Of 9. Are we right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have what? X bar is now equal to square root of 225. What is that?
It's 15.
Now 15 here divided by 3, eh?
Yes, sir.
Square root of that is 3. And x bar here,
It's
which
5.
we're asked to find, is equal to what?
5.
Is equal to 5. That's all for this question. Is it not simple and straightforward?
Yeah.
Yes, it is simple and straightforward, right? Are we okay, sir? Are we right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Let's look at another problem.
The numbers. Next problem. 4.
Yes, sir, we go, sir. We go.
Yeah, problem 4. The
Yes, sir.
numbers A, B, A, comma, B,
Now we have the numbers are what? A,
comma,
B,
comma,
yeah,
8, comma,
8, comma,
5, comma, and 7.
5, comma, and 7,
Seven.
right? Yes.
Have mean 6 and variance 2.
Now look at this man here. They have a mean, right?
Yes, sir.
So here we can say what? I will just say the symbol for the mean. Mean is represented by the symbol x bar, right?
Yes, sir.
The mean is equal to what?
6.
6, right? And also we have a variance.
Variance of 2.
Variance is now equal to what?
2.
2. So the variance here is supposed to have this guy, eh? Variance is equal to what?
2.
2.
So find the values of A and find the value of A and B if
Yeah.
A is greater than B.
Now we have to find the value of what? Of A and B. If A is what is greater than what? Than B, right?
Yes, sir.
Are we okay now? Let's go. Now come here again. You know what is the mean, right?
Yeah.
Now here, the mean is what is given to us. So what we must try to understand here, that the mean is what? Is the sum of what? Of all the events, right?
Event, yeah.
Divided by what? By the total number of what? Of events.
Event, yeah.
Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
So we come here and say using here, x bar is now equal to summation of what? Of x all over what? All over n, right?
Yes, sir.
Are we okay?
Yeah.
Equal to, let me just use the mean. What's the mean here?
It's 6.
6.
Now we have 6 here is now equal to summation of x. That means we have to add all of these values, right?
Yes, sir.
What are they? A here plus what? Plus B
Plus 8
plus 8
plus 5 plus
plus
7.
5 plus 7 all over n. Now, how many values do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and
5.
so we say all over what?
5.
5. Because the mean is what? Is the sum of all events, right?
Yes, sir.
And we divide by what? By the total number of events, right? So we go. We have 6 equal to, let's bring the variables to one side, eh?
Yes, sir.
What do we have now?
A
We have A here plus what? Plus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, this guy here, what do we have now? 20, is it not 20?
Yes, sir.
It is.
Good. Plus what?
Plus 20.
Plus 20 all over
5.
5, eh?
Yes, sir.
Here is what? Let's cross multiply now.
Yeah.
Upon 1, eh?
Yes, sir.
What times any number here is the number itself, right?
Yes, sir.
That is A here plus what? Plus B plus 20 is now equal to
30.
here 5 times 6 gives us
30.
now we have what? We have 30. But here we have two unknown, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you can decide to make one of them the subject here. So which one do you want us to make the subject here?
A.
A, right? First, let me try to simplify this guy for you. A plus B here is now equal to, come here, we have 30 minus what? Minus 20, right?
Yes, sir.
And here we have A plus B is now equal to 30 minus 20, what is that? 10. So these two guys here, they are two unknown, right? But here we can see we have simultaneous equation. Because here we can make one of them the subject, right?
Yeah.
So that's the case here. Which one do you want me to make the subject here?
B.
Huh? Which one do you want to make the subject? B, right? That means B must stand alone, equal to A must come over, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we now have 10 minus what?
A.
Minus A, right? You call this equation what?
1.
Equation 1. Mind you, we have been asked to find what? A and B, provided A is what is greater than what? Than B, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if that's the case now, we have gotten what the value for what's for B, right? Come to variance again. Now, when you look at variance, you're looking at this formula here. You can tell that we have what? We have x bar, right?
Yes, sir.
Are we seeing this one here?
Yes, sir.
And then what do we have here? We have what? We have n, right? So what do we do in this case now, since we have gotten the value for what? For B now? Right? If you come here again, let's say here we come here again. We add all of these values here. What is going to happen?
Another
have what?
equation 2.
Another equation, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we have a formula which says, look at this man here, we have what? We have x bar, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we now say here, summation of both of x square, alright, all upon n, right?
Yes, sir.
What is that? When you see summation of both of x square, come on, mistake here. Some people can decide to want to add all of these values and what? And square the value. No. It means each term here must be squared. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't say we must add everything here and want to take them and square them. No. What we must do here is what? It tells you that each term here must be squared. Okay. Let me just use this formula so that we can see what I'm trying to say, right? So we say what? Using here, we have what? We have variance here is now equal to what? Summation of what? Of x square all upon what? N here minus what? X bar square. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Are we giving the variance?
Yes.
What's the variance?
It's 2.
Now we have 2 for the variance, so you substitute the value for the variance, right?
Okay.
Now equal. No, this is not 2 squares, sir. This is the symbol for what? For the variance. And when this guy stand alone like this, this man is called what? Is called a standard deviation. Why? Because standard deviation is what? Is the positive square root of what? Of the variance. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, this guy is what is the formula for the standard deviation as well. But what happens now? We know that we have what? We have square term here, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you take this much to this side, it becomes what? A square root.
Square root, yeah.
When you take this much to this side, it becomes what?
A
A square root, right?
Yes, sir.
So say standard deviation is what? Is the positive square root of what? Of the variance. Are we okay with this one now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's go. Now we have 2 here equal to summation of x squared. That means this sign tells you that we are to what? We are to add, eh?
Yes, sir.
So what are the values that we have? A. But here we can say what? A what? A square.
A square.
Okay?
Okay.
Plus, because of
B
the sign,
okay.
next we have what? B square plus, next what do we have? 8 square plus, next what do we have? 5 square, and next what do we have?
7 square.
Plus 7 square minus, we have 6 square because the mean here is what? Is 6, right? All over n. What is n now? N is 5. Are we okay with this one?
Yes, sir.
So let's go. Now we have to bring down 2. Now we have 2 here is now equal to a square plus what? Plus b square, right?
Yes, sir.
But already we have the value for what's for b, right?
Yeah.
So wherever you see b now, what do we do now? We
10 minus
substitute
B.
the value for b now.
B.
Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, it now becomes what?
10 minus A.
10 minus a, but mind you, it has a square term, right?
Yeah.
We see the whole square. Plus 8 square, what is that?
64.
We have 64 plus 5 square is what?
25.
25 plus 7 square is what?
49.
49 equal to 6 square is what?
36.
36. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we have 2 is
All
now
upon
equal
5.
to all over 5 Here we have 2 is equal to, we have a square, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this man here is what? 10 square gives you what? 100, right?
Yes, sir.
10 plus 10 gives you what? 20, right? Minus what? What do you have here? This man, this variable is what is a, right?
A square.
Now, so therefore, here we have what? Plus what? 100 here. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Minus what?
A square.
Minus 20a here plus what? Plus a square.
Why
Half.
20A?
120a? Yes, sir, because of this man here is what is 10, right? Minus 10 minus 10 gives you what? Minus 20. Okay, let me just simplify again for you to see. Now here we have what? We have 10 minus what? Minus a, the whole square. Is that also, sir? It tells you that, how many brackets do you have here?
2 brackets.
2 brackets, right? So we say again, this is what? 10 minus what? Minus a. Whenever we have what? We have double brackets. What do? We take one of the brackets and expand the other.
Okay.
Are we alright?
Yes, sir.
So here we have 10 here into this bracket. What do we have? 10 minus what? Minus a, right? Next we have taken a 10. What does it mean now?
Minus A.
Negative a into what? 10 minus a again. 10 times 10,
100.
we have 100. Minus 10 times a gives you
10A.
10a, right? Now here again, a times 10 here,
Minus 10A.
same as negative 10a, right? Minus times minus,
Plus
a times a.
A square.
A square, right? So now we have what? 100 here. Minus times minus gives you plus, right? Now 10 plus 10 gives you what?
20A.
But here the sign here, bigger than marker is the sign, right?
Yes,
So therefore we maintain the sign which is what?
Negative.
Negative, and you have what? 20A. Are we okay now?
Yes, sir.
Plus what? A square. Oh, this one is clear now, right? But whenever you have what? This one, look at the steps. What you must do here? Look this time here. Alright? It tells you that how many 10 do you have here?
2 10.
Alright? First what do you do here? Multiply that 10 2 times. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
That is 10 times 10 gives you what?
100.
100. Not only that, this 10 here is what is a constant. It means it stands alone without what? An attachment of what? Of a variable.
Very well.
Are we right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you do now? This same value, look at the sign here. Alright? Now it tells that you have 2 10 again. Now what do you do now? You can add them now because you have the negative sign, right?
Yes, sir.
Just a 10 plus 10 gives you what?
100.
100. No, 20.
20. Yes.
Right? So what do you do now? Maintain the sign. That is what? 20. And what do you have now?
A.
Is
A
A.
square. Okay.
Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Now this sign here, this one is always positive. Whether you see what? Negative sign or you see what? You see positive sign.
Yeah.
That means always positive. Right?
Yes, sir.
It tells you that you have, how many A do you have there? 2A.
2A.
That's the same as what as A times A. You have what? You have A square. This is the shortcut, right? Short method. That's how you can work them out. Hope this can now.
Yes, sir.
Now when you add these guys, add this and this, what do you have now?
139.
Huh?
139.
Now this one is equal to what?
139.
139, right?
Yeah.
This one is not part of this guy. This one is not part of this guy.
What about the 49?
Yes, this is 49 plus 25 plus 64.
It's 138.
138, right?
Yes.
We have plus what? 138, right? So,
Minus.
in this case now, minus what?
36.
36, right?
All upon 5.
Now, all over what? All over 5, eh? Take this man here. This is minus 36, right?
Yes, sir.
Bring this man over here. Mind you, these guys here, and this man here are different, right? This guy here has this mean. They are not the same.
Yeah.
So when we add them and we scatter it, this man is squared because of the formula, alright, that we have. X bar square. But this is X bar. And this one was not part of these guys. Are we okay now? So what we are going to do now? I will transpose this man over here now. Over here we have what? We have 2, right? This man is negative. Coming over now becomes what? Positive, right? Positive what?
36.
36. Don't mix them up. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Equal. Now what do you have now? A what? A square, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus what? Now this is a constant, right? And also we have another constant. That's also
Yes.
Now we have what? 2 what?
38.
238 here.
Yeah.
Minus what?
20.
Minus 20. And here also we have another A. Let me just add them together, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus
So
28.
now we have what? We have 2 A.
Yes, sir.
So here we have what? We have minus what? 28.
28.
All over what?
5.
All over 5. Do we get this one here?
Yeah.
This one is a square term.
Yeah.
This is also a square term.
2A square.
We have what? We have 2A square now.
Yes, sir.
Plus, this is 100, and we add this one to what? To 138, right?
Yeah.
It gives us what? 238, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have what? We have negative what? 28.
Yeah.
Hope this one is clear now, right?
Yeah, sure.
Now what do we have here now?
It's 38.
Now we have 30 what?
8.
38 here is now equal to, you have what? 2a square plus what? 238 here minus 20a. All over what? 5, eh?
Yeah.
We cross multiply now.
Yes, sir.
5 times 38. 5 times 8 is what? Is 40, right? Right is 0 and carry the 4, right?
190.
This one is what? 190
90.
now, okay? This one is now equal to 1 multiplied by any number is number itself, right?
Yes, sir.
You now have what? 2a square plus 238 here minus 20a. Alright? That one is done. Is it not simple and straightforward?
Yes, sir.
I'm going through all of these steps for you to understand. Otherwise, you should have taken a shortcut, eh?
Yes, sir.
So what do we have now? Now, this guy is what is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's see if we can divide all of these guys by 1 by 2. First, let's get in the terms, right? We have what? We have 2a square, okay? Plus what? 20a plus what? Sorry, minus 20a.
20 plus
Next one we have plus what?
238
238.
equal to
All of it equal to what?
190.
190, eh?
Yes, sir.
So, here we divide here by 1 by 2, divided by 1 by 2, here by 2, and here also by 1 by 2, right? This we cancel this out, and we are left with what? A square, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus
Now here we
10.
have minus what?
10.
10a here, plus what? What do you have here now?
2, 3, 8. It's 119.
119, eh?
Yeah.
And here what do you have here now? 8 here, 18 here.
It's 95.
Now we have 95, eh?
Yeah.
So now have what? A square here minus what? Minus 10a here plus 119 here. This guy coming over here becomes what? Negative what? 95 equal 0, eh?
Yeah, Mr. Raj, initially I thought we are going to transpose.
Which
Like
one?
that's
This one?
yes, 190 minus 238.
It's just the same thing, sir.
Okay.
It's just the same thing, okay?
Okay.
Now we have what? We have a square minus what? Minus 10a here plus what? What do you have here now?
119 minus 95 is 24.
Now we have 24, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have 24. Equal what?
0.
0. We have what? We have quadratic equation.
Equation.
And actually, whenever you have quadratic equation, what do you do here? First, find what? The sum, right? What's the sum here?
It's minus 10.
10, right?
Yes.
Now again, we find the product. What's the product? A multiplied by what? By C, right?
By C.
So 1 times 24 gives you what?
24.
24. So we say sum is equal to what? Negative what? 10, eh? Now product here, product is now equal to 8 times C, right? That is what? 24. Okay? Now, what are the factors again? You find the factors, eh? Factors are equal to, what are the factors? Find two numbers. When you multiply, you're going to have 24, and when you add or subtract, you're going to have what?
Minus 6.
6 times 4, what do you have?
24.
24. 6 plus 4 gives you what?
10.
10. But this one is what?
Negative.
So therefore, we can say what? Minus what? Minus 6 times minus what?
4.
Minus 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus times minus gives you what?
Plus.
6 times 4.
It's 24.
This one is what is positive, right?
Yeah.
Now again, when you say what? Minus 6 minus 4 gives you what?
Minus 10.
Now next you introduce what? 2 brackets, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are the variables that we are using here? A minus what? Minus 6, right? All of this. Okay, we have another brackets again. A here minus what? Minus 4, right? Equal to what? 0. So therefore we can say what? A here is equal to what? 6 or A is equal to what? 4, right? But the question says what? A here greater than what? Than B, right?
Yes, sir.
So when A is 6, what is B now?
10 minus 8.
So we say when A is equal to 6, then B is equal to what? 10 minus A. Eh? So B is equal to 10 minus A. And what is A now?
It's 6.
6. And B is equal to 10 minus 6. What is that?
4.
4. It's just the opposite. Again, when A is equal to 4, so what is B now? B is equal to 10 minus what? Minus A. Eh?
Yes, sir.
And B is equal to 10 minus 4. So B is equal to 10 minus 4. What do you have?
It's 6.
Now we have 6 again. So if you observe here, what do we have here? A is what?
When A is 6.
When A is 6, A is greater than B, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's it. Simple and straightforward, right?
Yeah. Good.